The world of luxury MPVs has long been dominated by established names like the Toyota Alphard or the Lexus LM. But for 2026, BYD is flipping the script. Welcome to the 2026 BYD M9, a full-size, premium people mover that's built to redefine family travel and executive transport. Known as the BYD Z in its home market, the M9 is the first hybrid MPV from BYD to carry their M series branding globally. It's big, it's bold, and it's packed with technology that makes its rivals look like they're from a previous decade. Today, we're going to see if this $50,000 powerhouse can truly destroy the luxury status quo. Visually, the M9 is massive. Measuring over 5.1 meters long, it commands a serious presence on the road. The front is dominated by BYD's new Dragon-scale grille, a cascading mesh design that feels futuristic yet elegant. You'll notice the slim, pixelated LED headlamps that sweep into the fenders, giving it a sharp, modern gaze. Along the side, it features dual power-sliding doors and a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that helps it achieve an incredible drag coefficient for a vehicle of this size. At the back, a full-width LED light bar finishes the executive look. Whether you're pulling up to a business meeting or a five-star hotel, the M9 looks every bit the premium flagship. But the real magic happens inside. The 2026 M9 features a 2+3 layout, but it's the second row that steals the show. You get to zero-gravity captain's chairs equipped with heating, ventilation, 10-point massage functions, and power leg rests. Up front, the driver is treated to a 15.6-inch central touchscreen running BYD's latest iLink 150 system. Powered by DeepSeek AI for advanced voice controls. Tech is everywhere here, from the 26-inch wide head-up display to a built-in refrigerator and even a karaoke system that works without microphones. And for the families, the rear entertainment screen and the 28-speaker DeSound Dolby Atmos system turn this cabin into a literal rolling cinema. It's not just about the gadgets, though. The Nappa leather and soft touch materials used throughout make this cabin feel truly world-class. Under the hood, the M9 utilizes BYD's 5th-generation DMI plug-in hybrid technology. It pairs a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a powerful 200 kilowatts electric motor. The result? A combined range of over 1,100 kilometers and an EV-only range of up to 218 kilometers. That means you can do your daily commute entirely on electricity. But you have the gas engine ready for those long-distance road trips with zero range anxiety. To keep things smooth, BYD has equipped the M9 with the DeSoC intelligent damping system. It uses road scanning cameras to predict bumps and adjust the suspension in milliseconds. And for the first time in this segment, you get a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor, enabling God's eye autonomous driving features like city navigation assist and valet parking. So, is the 2026 BYD M9 the best MPV on the market? If you value technology, range efficiency, and limousine-grade comfort without paying double for a European badge, the answer is a resounding yes. It bridges the gap between a family van and a luxury executive suite perfectly. But I want to hear from you. Would you choose this over a Toyota Alphard or the Denza D9? Is BYD's new design language a hit for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more 2026 automotive reviews.